if you look overall at the all India context, our last voter turnout is 86.9, which if you compare to other states is fairly high, and it's still quite high, and it is still a very high voter turnout. What our voter turnout also, I'm anticipating that it'll reach around those figures plus minus. Now, some of the reasons which I have spelled out just now could be because of absentee voters. They're not here. That is one category. Number two is that from Election Commission they have pioneered and they have started what is known as they have pioneered what is known as a remote voting machine, RVM, which is especially targeted to meet such kind of to meet the requirements of such kind of voters, the remote voting machine. And from Election Commission they are already convened a meeting also on the 16th of January to call all the political parties and stakeholders to discuss about rolling out these RVMs. However, from political parties, quite a few political parties expressed reservations about rolling it out. At this juncture, they wanted further discussions and they wanted further clarity on how it would be done. So, otherwise, if we had this remote voting machine, it would be probably one step towards meeting the needs of those absentee voters who would otherwise have got a chance to exercise their franchise. Some of the other measures like home voting, like home voting for the people with disability and for the senior citizens, that is one measure in which the Election Commission has used as a measure to sort of ensure that spirit of no voter to be left behind, that that is addressed. So and this time we have engaged with the Rambashnongs, we have engaged with the Sengsamlas, we have engaged with the Senginthes of the various localities, and but we don't know what the result will be, because now it's still early days to say. By tomorrow we'll get to know exactly whether those efforts have borne fruit or not. But effort was not lacking on the part of the election machinery. Effort was there to ensure that that we increase our percentage, which, as I reiterated at the beginning, is quite robust even compared to all India standards. It's not low by any means. A low voter turnout overall would be something around below 60%. Below 60% or below 65% would be termed as a low voter turnout. Anything above 80% is considered as a very robust voter turnout. The challenge for us is whether we can increase it further. Not that our voter turnout is low, but whether we can increase it further. That is the challenge before us.